Welcome to Painted Prairie, a community in Aurora, Colorado, where Berkeley Homes brings a touch of excellence to the art of living. Let's explore the unique features and offerings that make Berkeley Homes the perfect choice for your next home in this one-of-a-kind community. Berkeley Homes offers incredible indoor and outdoor living, setting the standard with 3-car garages as a standard feature in 3 out of their 7 thoughtfully designed floor plans starting in the high $400,000 price range. Whether you're seeking versatility or a specific price point, Berkeley has a home for you. Berkeley Homes has been a staple in the Denver area for over 30 years. Award-winning local architects shape their fresh home designs, ensuring each residence is a place you'd love to call home. They are known for their commitment to quality construction practices and higher standard finishes. Berkeley Homes at Painted Prairie, where the dream of exceptional living becomes a reality. Explore, experience, and embark on a new chapter in your life. Your future home awaits in the heart of this extraordinary community.